Hey guys, today is the best day of the year. It's Halloween! Halloween is my favorite day. I'm so excited. I have been just hyped for Halloween for so long and it's finally here. And I'm gonna do my pumpkin carving stream and I'm just so excited. So I just did my makeup. Oh my gosh, this is like the hanger thing I didn't cut off. I'm so excited. So yeah, it's already like 3 something. My stream is at 5, so I need to finish getting ready and then I'm hoping to take a couple of pics for my spicier page with my setup before I start my stream. So lots to do. I think I'm gonna just do my stream here in my living room. So I'm gonna set up my little backdrop and then I'm gonna kind of decorate this table a little bit more. I did a little bit the other night with like the little tablecloth and stuff, and yes, I'm just gonna put a couple more things on it to make it spooky for a nice backdrop, along with my little, I don't know what to call it, backdrop thingy. You've seen it before. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just kind of getting a bit ready. And then I did go to Rite Aid today. Well, I went to Starbucks and then Rite Aid was next door, and I was hoping that they'd already have candy on clearance, and they had like nothing. They were all out of candy. Usually when you go like the day after Halloween, they have so much unsold candy that's like all on clearance. Today is Halloween, but like I thought maybe they'd already have some out. And they were like all out of candy. I did buy some though. They had some of my favorites, so gonna go add those to my candy bucket, and I'll show you some of the new stuff that I got, and we'll do some decorating. So my neighborhood, unfortunately, it does not get trick-or-treaters, but I buy candy for myself anyway, because I want candy. I feel like I don't have to justify that one. But yeah, this is the candy that's just been sitting on my coffee table this month that I've just been enjoying and picking at. But I bought some more candy. This is one of my favorites. Peppermint patties. These are like the Snickers brownies. These are so freaking good. I don't know if you guys have tried these. I think they're new, but I've been like obsessed with them. They're so good. And then just some Reese's cups that look like pumpkins. Mix that all up. Now I have some candy to enjoy during my stream, and on the off chance that we do actually get a trick-or-treater, I'll have plenty of candy to offer them. But I've lived in this apartment for like 5 years now, I think, and I've never gotten one. It's probably because I decorate the inside of my apartment, but not the outside of my apartment. Maybe if I put out some pumpkins or something, they would come. And I'm just talking about trying to attract children to my apartment with candy. Okay, this is bad. Also, do you see that squishmallow someone sent me? Isn't it cute? So cute. Okay. Sorry, I'm so hyped right now. I love Halloween. Also, at Starbucks, I got caffeine, so I'm also a little bit caffeinated. All right, so let me move you guys over here. I'm just gonna do some decorating, because I've got this. I think maybe I'll move the table a little bit forward. You guys are kind of my guinea pigs for like framing and stuff to see like how it's gonna look. So yeah, let me go find my purple lights. I also still have that galaxy projector that I showed you guys last time. I was kind of thinking about using it, but it may be distracting. So I'm definitely gonna go find my purple lights first and see how they look. These are the lights I'm talking about. They like change color. You can do like different colors with like a remote and stuff. Someone I think sent me these from my wish list like a year ago, and I love them so much. They're so useful. So I've got my purple lights. You can't really see how purple they are. One sec. Let's see if we turn down the house lights. Haha. Purple. And now we just add some decorations. I want it to feel like it's like a Halloween party. Everyone's invited, but just online. And then of course we're bringing back out the bin of decorations. We've already put out most of them, but kind of want to add this little net thing, maybe, just to make it creepier. That looks pretty cool. I don't actually know if that's going to show up on my stream if I'm sitting down. Maybe I should put it lower. There we go, that's better. think that'll show a lot better. So I'm almost completely set up. The last thing I have to worry about is the floor because obviously I don't want to get pumpkin guts and stuff all over my floor. I'm just gonna be, I think like last year I like kind of had a little table in front of me. I'm not really doing that this year, I don't think. I'm just gonna kind of be working on the floor. So maybe I should have rolled up my carpet before I put all this up. So I just rolled up my carpet, so things are probably gonna be a little bit easier to clean up. But I forgot about my Raven candles. So I forgot about these candles. These are the ones, they're fake obviously, and I ordered these for my Raven cosplay shoot last year. Not last year. Anyway, these would be super cool to have up. Alright, so after much struggle, I have figured out that these guys take AAA batteries. I only have AA batteries, so they're gonna stay dark for our project, but that's okay because they still look cute. And now I have to go take my pictures if I want to get them done before my stream, and then I will be all ready. This is my dress. Thank you to the person who sent it to me. It really makes me want to do a Yunogasai cosplay, so I think I might in the future. But yeah, it's just very witchy and fun. And then let me show you my final setup. So I'm using my small ring light because it's got my webcam already attached. Streaming from this computer. Got my like actual stuff there for carving pumpkins. And this is my little setup. My phone's there and like my Starbucks, but this is it. I think it looks really cute. I wish it showed up this good with the webcam, but unfortunately because of like lighting and stuff to see my face, it doesn't show up like quite as good, but I think it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna start my stream soon. I might do like a little time lapse for you guys. We'll see. But yeah, I'm hyped. Are you doing anything yesterday for Halloween? This is my chill day. Nope, I did not do anything yesterday. This is my only Halloween day. I mean, I've been doing stuff all month. If you guys watch my vlogs, you'll see, like, you know, I've been going to Disney and I've been going on haunted houses and Universal and like all that stuff. But no, I didn't do anything yesterday. I'm tempted to go switch out my drink for something that doesn't have caffeine in it. Maybe I should go grab some apple juice or something. I don't know, I might need the caffeine for the next 2 hours of doing this. I feel like this is how it was last year. Or if I like hype myself up for the last pumpkin. Maybe I should have done less pumpkins this year. But I can't help it. They sell them in like groups of 3. Like I think it was like 3 for $10, something like that. Maybe it was 2 for $10. Just finished my stream. It was 6.5 hours long, almost 6 hours and 40 minutes long actually. Oh my gosh, my limbs are numb. I took 2 breaks of about 5 minutes each the entire time, and I ordered pizza during the stream because I was so hungry and I didn't feel like taking another break to go to my kitchen and make food. Oh my gosh, my legs, I can't unbend this. I can't unbend this leg. I was sitting on it. Ow. My pumpkins turned out okay. Just like every year. They're not great, but they're carved pumpkins. My living room is a mess. I really don't feel like cleaning it up, but I'm going to because I know I'm going to regret it tomorrow. I just have to stretch a bit and get my leg back to working properly. Like I literally cannot unbend it right now. I'm just having to go really slowly. My hands are also in a lot of pain just from gripping those knives for so long, and also from the scoopy thing, and from like just that arm movement. Like my shoulder hurts. There's a lot of pain. I'm in a lot of pain. This was a lot. It was fun, but next year I'm doing 2 pumpkins, not 3. I think I said that last year too. 3 pumpkins is just too much. But yeah, it is 11:40 p.m. right now, so just gonna let my legs stretch out, take a quick break, and then clean everything up and roast my pumpkin seeds. Got a pretty good haul this year. I don't know if it was as good as last year. I'm pretty good. Just gonna cook those up. Yum. Can you guys hear my neighbors right now? I don't know which neighbor this is. I think it's upstairs. It's party time, I guess. And my neighbor, the one who I was complaining about, who plays loud music in the parking lot, did it again last night. Unbelievable. I didn't say anything. I didn't go out. I did peek out my, I think that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna like peek out my blinds and like stare at her whenever she does it so that she knows I'm watching. But I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna stare at her. That's my plan. That's what I did last night. I don't think she noticed me though. But I just can't believe it wasn't 2 a.m. at least. It was like 12. You know, it's like midnight. So it wasn't as bad, but still, like how difficult is it to just turn down your music when you enter the parking lot? Like that's it. That's all I'm asking for, is for her to turn it down when she enters the parking lot. Like I feel like that's not like a difficult thing to do. Maybe she's testing me. Anyway, today is Friday. I had work for the past 2 days, and today was supposed to be the day that the Animal Crossing update happened, but it actually happened 2 days ago, like a day and a half ago, something like that. So I haven't been able to play it until today. So this morning I did a stream and I played it for a while, and it's really fun. I haven't bought the paid DLC yet. I can't remember my password to the Nintendo store. So as soon as I remember that, I'm gonna buy that. So maybe I'll do that for tomorrow's stream. But you know, I'm just making some mac and cheese, and I'm gonna just chill and watch TV and eat mac and cheese and enjoy my evening. So it's the next day. Hi, I just parked in this parking lot, and there's someone in the car like directly across from me, and they're just sitting there in their car, so they're gonna be watching me vlog and probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. Even though this is LA and I feel like everyone vlogs, it's like it looks like a older lady. I don't know. I don't even care. Anyway, so yeah, today is Saturday, which means this vlog goes up tomorrow, but I have a couple errands I need to run. It's already like 1:30. I just had like a really slow moving morning. I'm just like chilling and like kind of getting dressed slowly, getting out of bed on my own time, browsing Reddit, all that stuff. So yeah, I wish that it was a little bit earlier when I was running these, because I still plan on streaming Animal Crossing later on today, and I still have to edit this vlog. And I'm meeting a friend tonight, so yeah, I have a lot to do today. I definitely shouldn't have taken this morning to chill, but yeah, I just have to run some errands, and that means that first stop is Starbucks, of course, because I have no self-control. Starbucks obtained. Next stop, CVS. Probably the least exciting vlog ever. Is it bad that I kind of want this? I'm in the Halloween clearance section. There's a spooky tree with ornaments. They also have these giant ornaments. We don't know what I would do with those. Look how cool this is. I love looking at the Halloween clearance section, but I think that I'm gonna not buy anything because I have to be responsible. I hate being responsible. And the last stop is the post office. I'm back. Sorry if my makeup's messed up because of my mask, or just messed up in general, who even knows, but I figured I would do a little unboxing since I have boxes and I just got back. I know it's in one of them, but I'm really excited for it. Oh, and then also I didn't vlog it, but I did stop at Urban Outfitters on my way back to my car. I couldn't resist walking in. I thought I wasn't gonna buy anything, and of course I did, but I just bought some really cute stuff. I bought this nail polish. It's like iridescent. I'm really excited to try that out. It's like opal-y. And then I bought this little hair clip that is so sparkly, and it has little stars in it. It's one of these little clampy guys, and I've actually been looking for one of those, so that's why I bought it, is because I finally found one that I really liked. And then we got some boxes. This one I'm really curious about. This is from It Cosmetics, I think, according to the return label. So let's see what's inside. for my scissors. I can't find any of my box cutters. All my cute little draft box cutters that I've been using. Where'd they all go? This is so cute though. Miracle Water, I don't know what that is, but 3-in-1 tonic skin brightening radiance booster anti-aging treatment essence soft skin micellar cleanser. I need this. Bye Bye Makeup cleansing balm, also need this, which is funny because I just bought makeup remover yesterday. And hydrating color lip treatment. Ooh, you're perfect pink. I'm gonna try this, hold on. It looks like nothing in the bottle. I'm guessing it's like one of those color changing ones. Oh no, this opened. At least it didn't open in transit. Oh, these are M&Ms. They're little Halloween M&Ms in a little container. Look at that. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing. Yay! I love getting stuff. I'm so excited to try those all out. I'll let you know how it goes when I take off my makeup, but it's probably gonna be after this vlog. And then the second thing, ooh, I'm so excited for this one. This is from my mom, technically, but I ordered it myself. But my birthday is coming up next month, December 2nd to be exact. I know it's early and I should wait till my birthday, December 2nd, but I can't wait. I'm too excited to have it and to use it. And why wait? Why just leave it in the box for a month, you know? You know, when you've been wanting something for so long and you finally get it, like that's the feeling I'm having right now. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I love it even more in person than I did online. Like the color looks so much better in real life than it did online. Like I loved it online, but it's like even pinker in person. So this is the bag. Oh my gosh, I love it. I feel like even in camera right now, like the color of it isn't like truly showing up. Like I said, if I like hold it back here it is, but like if I hold it here it's like looking too light. But yeah, it's like the color is called chalk pink. And it came in 2 other colors too. They have it in red and they have it in like black and white polka dots, but obviously I got pink because I love pink. So excited, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyway, it's already 2:41, so if I'm gonna stream I better get on that. But yeah, today's been such a good day so far. There we go. I don't know why I'm vlogging my stream, but we need something in the vlog, right? I don't even remember what we were doing, okay, with this game. We're gonna need to move this bridge if we're putting a house here. And then I think we were gonna, this is like completely sidetracked. See, all these like trees and stuff, they're just completely random. So yeah, I just finished up my stream. Apparently the part of it that I vlogged, I didn't realize that my mic was off for the actual streams. They didn't hear any of that, so this is an exclusive part of the stream that only you guys got to hear. Anyway, I have to go change now because it's a little bit cold out. I'm meeting a friend. I think we're just gonna go get boba. Not sure if I'm gonna vlog tonight, so if not, I will end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. It means so much. If you want to follow me anywhere else, you are welcome to. I have all the social medias. They're all linked in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to me here. Give this video a like if you like it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys next week for my next video. Bye!